So I've got this absolute beast of a monitor from AOC. It's a 40-inch 144Hz model, and don't get me wrong, I absolutely love it, but there is one major flaw in it, in fact in all monitors really, and I think you've already guessed where I'm going with this. It's those PC monitor speakers. They do really suck. They all sound like they were designed as an afterthought. Tinny, weak, just overall disappointing. That's why most of us end up looking for something better. So I went out and bought the best PC soundbar I could afford, and I think you'll agree I made the right choice. So I ended up going with this. It's the Razer Leviathan V2. It's a PC gaming soundbar with a subwoofer, which apparently gives you cinema style spatial audio. It comes with Bluetooth 5.2 and of course RGB. So first things first, let's unbox this bad boy. Razer always nails it with their packaging. Slick, black box, that signature green. It's like Christmas come early. And check this out, the Leviathan V2 looks absolutely stunning. It's got this minimalistic design that fits perfectly under my monitor. In the box we've got the soundbar itself, detachable feet for adjusting the angle, a USB-C cable and the power adapter, everything you need to get started. We also get this awesome subwoofer with a downward firing driver at 5.5 inches. Setting it up was a breeze. I just plugged it into my PC with the USB-C and boom, we're good to go. Plus with the Bluetooth 5.2 connecting to my phone to stream some tunes was seamless. Okay, let's talk specs. The Leviathan V2 packs 2 full range drivers and 2 passive radiators, and don't let its size fool you. This thing delivers some serious audio performance. Now I jumped into some intense matches in Doom and other games, and honestly the sound immersion blew me away. Footsteps, gunfire, distant explosions, it was all so crisp and spatially accurate. There was this one moment where I heard an enemy sneaking up behind me, and thanks to the soundbar's clarity I managed to turn around just in time. Game saved. The magic here is the THX spatial audio. It's like surround sound but without the hassle of setting up multiple speakers. It creates a 360-degree soundscape that pulls you right into the game. Now once the subwoofer is plugged in, the whole setup jumps in quality considerably, with the system able to get down to those lower basses. But it's not just for gaming. I streamed some music, everything from hip hop to classical, and the audio quality was stellar. The bass hits just right, and the mids are warm, and the highs are super clear. Now let's talk about the RGB lighting. It wouldn't be Razer without that chroma RGB goodness. With 18 customizable lighting zones, I synced it up with the other Razer gear, and now my setup looks like a friggin' light show. So whether it's pulsing to the beat of music or reacting to in-game events, it's such a cool touch that adds to the overall experience. Another thing I'm a fan of is the Razer Audio app. It gives you full control over the soundbar right from your phone. Adjust the EQ, tweak the lighting, check for firmware updates. It's super intuitive. Now let's keep it real guys, there are a couple of things to bear in mind. The Leviathan V2 doesn't have an optical input, so if you're looking to connect it directly to your console or TV, you might need an adapter. Also, when the subwoofer is connected, you might feel that the highs are lacking somewhat. Honestly, I'm thoroughly impressed with the Razer Leviathan V2. It's a sleek, space-saving soundbar that elevates both the audio and aesthetics of my setup. So whether you're a gamer, a music lover, or just want better sound for your binge-watching sessions, this soundbar delivers across the board. Anyway, what do you think? Is the Leviathan V2 the upgrade your setup needs? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech content. Your support means the world to me. So thanks for hanging out with me today. Stay awesome, stay connected, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace. P.S. I've got something special coming up, a complete tour of my updated gaming studio and some giveaways. Stay tuned, you don't want to miss it.